Hey everyone, welcome back to Danvar Tech. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to add multiple photos to your Instagram stories. If you're ready to level up your story game, stick around. Let's get started. Open your Instagram and tap on your story. Now take a picture. If you want a solid background color, tap on the three lines and select the draw option. Now select your favorite background color, and after selecting, long press on the picture and your background will be changed. Now add photos to your story. Tap on this icon and select the photo. If you tap on your photo, you can change its shape, and you can easily rotate it using two fingers. Now add another photo by following the same process. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Danvar Tech. Leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. See you in the next one.